How to log in to LiteBlue USPS Employee Account. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily do that. So the first thing you need to do is search for LiteBlue USPS login and then hit enter. Now click on the first link that you see there, this one. Once you open it up, you should be able to find this field to enter your username, your employee username, and then your password. So what you can do is just go ahead and simply search for this sign in button down below and then tap on it. And if you forgot your username and password, you can tap on either of these links to recover it. So simply enter your email address. They'll send you a verification code to your email. You can then use that code to reset your password. And that is basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you in the next video.